Hey Sagittarius, let's do your reading. So this is a love reading, the person on your mind. Just wanted to show you pre-shuffle. This is Ace of Swords and the Hangman. Somebody is way in their head, holding back. You may not realize it. You maybe don't think they're thinking about it, but oh, they are. This is like going down that rabbit hole looking for light at the end of the tunnel. Ace of Swords is victory, truth. It's all about truth. Truth, victory, maybe after a battle. Somebody is trying to figure things out, okay? Just to show you the very next card, or the bottom of the deck was the Empress, so I'm not sure if you guys, look at that. Trying to figure things out, how to bring things back together, a stable home, family, something like that. All right, take a look at what is going on. Wow. See, a new beginning in love. Oh my goodness. Energies are so, oh my goodness, so strong right now. And we have the Ace of Cups, just showing y'all, this is pre-shuffle, you know, kind of pre-shuffle, but Ace of Cups, a new beginning in love. There's a lot of love here, and here, just like what we picked up already, was foundation. This is a stable, like letting things grow. Also the 1111 card, Four of Wands. Somebody is really in their head about this, wanting to see things grow, get back on track, communication. Okay, possibly somebody who fled. But let's see what we're dealing with here for Sagittarius. How are you? Please hit like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, talk to me in the comments. I'd love to see where you guys are watching from so we can connect the dots. I pray for you guys every single day. And then I also love when we met. Y'all's last video did so well because of the manifestation. So if you didn't see that, check that out. And then let's do it again in this next video. So let's group manifest. Also, it really helps the channel when you hit like and put, oh my goodness, look. When we do the group manifestation, if you guys would go through and thumbs up everybody else's just to give more power. And if you don't want to put your own intention in there, I love to see where you guys are watching from too. Okay, so Six of Cups. Yeah, all about a return. All about a return. How to do it. Maybe conflicted, trying to figure it out. Could be an apology. I feel like this is somebody that you had a strong friendship with. Wow. You know, we're just, there was a connection that was beyond. It just gets better and better. A connection beyond the romance. So, but let's look. So the person, their energy, right? The energy towards you, okay? Six of Wands. So they definitely want your attention. Their current energy is Six of Wands, recognition, being recognized, appreciated. This person is wanting appreciation from you. How do they view you? Nine of Cups. That's a very positive card. Wow, Nine of Cups. Somebody very loving, a lot of love. They have a lot of love for you. It's also abundance. Next actions towards you. Oh gosh, okay, hold on. Yeah, well, passion, Queen of Wands. So there's definitely some sort of action coming towards you. Magician. Figuring out, this is kind of like Leo's. Figuring out how to do it, a reconciliation. There's that Ten of Pentacles. Wow, wow, wow. So this person, I mean, this is pretty cut and dry. I'm sorry if this might be a little bit short of a reading, but this person is really sees you as somebody very valuable. I don't know if they weren't showing it in the past, but this is someone who sees you very valuable, and they want you to see them that way too. Maybe they're hoping that you'll see them in the same loving light that they see you. Definite passion coming, or some sort of strong action. But when we look at the bottom of the deck, this is all about trying to figure out how, okay? The Magician, making things happen, all in. The Temperance card is balance, it's patience, how to, you know, it's not overreacting, it's not knee-jerk. But yeah, look at this. I mean, second chances, a major decision going on here. What's the conflict or challenge? Uh-oh, too many. These cards are really not that easy to shuffle. It may be that this person, like High Priestess, doesn't communicate well or enough. There's that Sun card again. Children. I wonder if children are and have an impact on this. Children, this is happiness, growth. So, totally opposite. Sun card, happiness, growth, family, children, and then there's sadness. So there may be something to do with loss regarding, I don't know, prior. I'm feeling these nines. Just when I said that, I saw this too. I'm feeling the nines. Nines is almost completion. I wonder if somebody is like kind of being like possessing children, or if somebody's using children as a way to keep someone or threatened somehow. Look at the bottom of the deck. So somebody wants to make this right, but it's almost like there's something big that has to happen. It wouldn't be easy, but the death, rebirth, and then the starting over, taking a chance. Very young, carefree energy with that death card. These cards are kind of very strong reading about, this is a very positive reading about somebody returning, but there's something very heavy here. And feeling High Priestess. So, okay, so Hangman again. Holding back because. What's the challenge? Having to leave something. Or travel. Okay, just picked up a little bit of like a self-medicating, maybe some sort of addiction or something. Let me grab a different deck. Hold on. What's the challenge? So maybe there's a drama queen or somebody in the... They're afraid of some sort of drama or stress. Or they want to avoid it, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Coming towards you could bring on some sort of drama or stress. Or maybe that, you know, just the whole getting through the apology part, because this could be an apology. What's the page? It looks like they're afraid they may not get you back, which I don't think is the case. Yeah, it looks like they might be afraid you'd turn them away. Because Hangman again. Okay, tell us more. Communication. They're trying to figure it out. They do want something stable. I mean, this is crazy, but I think they're afraid that if they don't do it right, this could blow up in their face and this could be their last chance. Now, if they're not able to give the way they need to give, then that could be true, right? Maybe you're at your wit's end. King of Cups, there's a lot of love. Just give me 2 more cards. What's next? We know it's passionate action, but we don't... Too many. So again, feeling like they're, there's a need to protect themselves. High Priestess. Which is, didn't I just, oh yeah, I kept saying I felt High Priestess. There she is. So the High Priestess is kind of, this person is not, they're just not as open and communicative. So getting very vulnerable and talking about their feelings is something that's just a little bit out of their comfort zone. I kept getting the High Priestess. There might be a bill. I don't know, these B and J's, that might mean something. But anyway, they do want a second chance. I think they just aren't sure how to approach it. But again, of course, they've got to stand up and, show it. But I think they're afraid of, I don't know. There's something, somewhere, someone, something, some sort of unhealthy tie that could cut them off of, I don't know, family, children, something. There's alcohol, maybe they would have to give up. They are getting in that direction and they are wanting it, but there's something that's just like, don't do it. I kind of got that don't do it until you're ready feeling. Let's see if we can get anything else. Actually, whoops. Overall situation, please. Yeah, there is a lot of love. Look at that. They're going to choose love. They're just not sure how. So I mean, this is pretty clear. There is a ton of love here. There is a decision to be made. Look at that. But it's kind of like, how do I go about it? Or maybe it's, what do I do? How do I do it? But with this Lover's card, definitely, let me grab one more oracle. Definitely trying to figure it out, and there definitely is love. I would say just be open. Make sure you're not, just going, oh no, that's never going to happen. And, keep yourself busy. Yep, there you go. This is a really strong romance. Whatever's holding them back, whether it's fear or they're going to get cut off from something else, or somebody's, holding something else over them, this person is working their way back. And there's a lot of love here. Let's get one more. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Look at that. Healing family issues. Let me see. And it is safe for you to love. Yeah, I feel like there's fear here. Fear of losing something. So anyway, let's talk in the comments. Let's manifest in the comments. I'm going to put you guys in the glow. I'm going to do the glow technique over you. But this time I'm going to add like a spiral, a vortex of money into it. Try and manifest, set intentions and manifest money for you guys. So I'll see you in the comments. And I love you guys so much. Bye, Sag.